Ashwagandha benefits for men. Men's never know these secret ashwagandha benefits. Welcome to today's video as we explore the myriad benefits of ashwagandha for men, nestled within the heart of nature's bounty. Concealed within the annals of this ancient secret lies a potent source of wellness, a veritable wellspring of vitality and strength. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey into the world of ashwagandha. Imagine a single, enchanting ingredient, a potent catalyst poised to revolutionize your health, elevate your performance, and awaken your innate potential. From high-flying executives to dedicated athletes and mindful meditators, ashwagandha has demonstrated its transformative prowess. But how does it achieve these remarkable effects, especially tailored for men? Rooted in the rich traditions of Ayurveda and fortified by state-of-the-art scientific research, we delve deep today, separating the verifiable truths from the myths surrounding this formidable herb. Prepare to embark on an exploration into the scientific revelations, comprehensive studies, and captivating anecdotes that underpin the remarkable benefits of ashwagandha for men. Join us as we unlock a realm of endless possibilities hidden within this incredible herb. If you're a man on a quest for peak health and vitality, this video is tailored specifically for you. But before we dive into this uncharted territory, ensure you've subscribed to our channel and activated the notification bell, ensuring you're always up to date with the latest health discoveries that could transform your life. Are you ready to journey into the untapped potential of ashwagandha? Let's commence. A brief reminder that the information presented in this video is intended solely for educational purposes and should not serve as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, let's begin. 1. Increased stamina and physical performance. Are you, yes, you, possibly just one step away from enhancing your stamina and physical performance? Ashwagandha, a potent herbal remedy, might hold the key you've been searching for. Let's delve into how it operates. Ashwagandha contains a group of flavonoids known as withanolides, which are pivotal compounds associated with the herb's various health advantages. These substances are believed to elevate your stamina by enhancing your body's energy production efficiency and mitigating the negative performance effects of stress. Their primary mechanism involves regulating your body's stress response system, the HPA axis, while also promoting better mitochondrial health. In a 2020 study titled Effects of Withania somnifera on the Reproductive System, a systematic review of the available evidence, it was found that ashwagandha contributed to enhanced endurance in men, largely attributable to these very compounds. Just picture the potential to amplify your physical performance and bid farewell to fatigue, all with the aid of this natural powerhouse. Isn't it high time you unlocked your latent potential with ashwagandha? The clock is ticking, it's time to take action. 2. Improved cognitive function. Ashwagandha, a renowned plant in Ayurvedic medicine, is rich in potent antioxidants, particularly withafrin A and withanolide A. These compounds are the secret behind its cognitive benefits, as they serve as guardians of your brain cells against harmful free radicals, thereby promoting overall brain health. Furthermore, ashwagandha enhances the functionality of your brain's powerhouses, the nerve cells. It facilitates the growth of dendrites, the extensions of nerve cells responsible for capturing brain signals, leading to faster and more efficient information processing. But that's not all. Ashwagandha also elevates the levels of acetylcholine, a crucial neurotransmitter in your brain. This boost promotes attention, learning, and memory. Additionally, it reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, paving the way for improved mental clarity. In essence, ashwagandha enhances cognitive abilities by shielding your brain cells, fostering nerve cell growth, and augmenting neurotransmitter levels. So, are you prepared to provide your brain with the boost it truly deserves? 3. Enhanced immune function. Ashwagandha, the remarkable stress alleviator, fortifies your immune system by augmenting the activity of immune cells. Picture a team of superheroes within your body, poised and ready to confront invading threats, that's precisely what this potent plant accomplishes. So, how does it work its magic? Two key players, withanolides and cytokinins, emerge as the bioactive compounds in ashwagandha, armed with impressive immune-enhancing properties. Here's the intriguing aspect: withanolides act as a sort of personal alarm system for your immune system, swiftly alerting your body to respond to infections, almost like having your own home security system. Meanwhile, cytokinins step in to provide stress relief, and we're well aware that stress can significantly dampen your immune response. Therefore, the less stress you experience, the more efficiently your immune system can function. It's essential to remember that maintaining a robust immune system is an ongoing journey, not a final destination. So, contemplate incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine. This ancient plant may very well offer the immune support you've been searching for. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Ashwagandha's potential to regulate blood sugar levels, particularly in men, has been the subject of extensive research. Recent studies have provided insights into the processes and compounds responsible for this effect. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2021 delved into the mechanisms through which ashwagandha influences blood sugar levels. It uncovered that ashwagandha contains bioactive compounds such as withanolides, alkaloids, and flavonoids, all of which play pivotal roles in its ability to regulate blood sugar. The withanolides found in ashwagandha have been observed to enhance insulin sensitivity, facilitate glucose uptake into cells, and support the regeneration of pancreatic beta cells. Additionally, the alkaloids in ashwagandha stimulate insulin secretion from pancreatic cells, further contributing to effective blood sugar control. These discoveries underscore the multifaceted approach of ashwagandha in managing blood sugar levels in men. By modulating insulin sensitivity, enhancing glucose uptake, and optimizing pancreatic function, ashwagandha holds promising potential as a natural remedy for blood sugar regulation. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ashwagandha has undergone extensive research regarding its anti-inflammatory properties, with these effects achieved through diverse mechanisms. One crucial mechanism involves the reduction of pro-inflammatory cytokines, including interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha, both central players in the inflammation process. In a 2020 study published in Pharmacological Research, researchers observed that ashwagandha extract effectively lowered the levels of these cytokines within immune cells. Additionally, ashwagandha boasts bioactive compounds known as withanolides, which have demonstrated their anti-inflammatory potential. A study from 2019, featured in the Journal of Natural Products, unveiled that withanolides sourced from ashwagandha inhibit the activation of a transcription factor known as nuclear factor kappa B, a key contributor to the inflammatory response. These research findings offer compelling evidence supporting ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory attributes, positioning it as a promising natural remedy for addressing disorders related to inflammation. 6. Reduced stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha, an extraordinary herb, possesses the key to unlock these advantages specifically tailored for men. Cutting-edge research has delved deeply into the intricate mechanisms of this potent plant, uncovering the compounds responsible for its remarkable stress-reducing abilities. In a groundbreaking 2020 study featured in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology, scientists made a significant revelation: ashwagandha supplementation led to a notable reduction in cortisol levels, the well-known stress hormone. A decrease in cortisol levels translates to a diminished stress response and an overall sense of tranquility. Furthermore, a 2019 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine shed light on the incredible bioactive compounds within ashwagandha. These compounds, including withanolides, alkaloids, and saponins, contribute to anxiety relief by modulating neurotransmitters and combating oxidative stress within the brain. These remarkable findings substantiate the fact that ashwagandha stands as a potent stress relief agent for men. By effectively regulating cortisol levels and harnessing its unique compounds, this herbal remedy provides a natural and efficient path to tranquility. It ensures emotional well-being while effectively keeping stress at bay. 7. Anti-aging properties. Are you prepared to delve into the captivating hidden treasures of ashwagandha, unraveled by cutting-edge research articles? In a study from 2021 published in Rejuvenation Research, scientists unveiled the herb's abundance of potent antioxidants, acting as protective shields against the ravages of oxidation and effectively combating the visible signs of aging. But there's more to astonish you. Get ready to be astounded by the revelations from a 2020 article in Aging Cell, where it was uncovered that ashwagandha possesses the remarkable ability to enhance telomerase production. Telomeres, those guardian-like caps safeguarding the ends of our chromosomes, are akin to the sentinels of youth. Ashwagandha plays a pivotal role in maintaining their length and vitality, promoting cellular well-being and extending longevity. As if that weren't enough, a 2018 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology unveiled ashwagandha's covert anti-inflammatory agents, known as withanolides and withanosides. By effectively tempering inflammation, ashwagandha takes a firm stand against aging and age-related ailments. Armed with this array of antioxidants, telomerase boosters, and inflammation regulators, ashwagandha emerges as a formidable champion in the battle against the relentless march of time. It is now the perfect moment to embrace the incredible power of this ancient herb and unlock the path to a vibrant and youthful existence. 8. Improved fertility. Ashwagandha, a potent herbal remedy, has demonstrated remarkable potential in enhancing male fertility through various intricate mechanisms. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, researchers made a noteworthy discovery. Extracts of ashwagandha led to significant improvements in sperm count, motility, and quality among men with suboptimal sperm parameters. The dynamic active compounds within ashwagandha, such as withanolides and alkaloids, assume the role of antioxidants, safeguarding sperm from oxidative stress and DNA damage. Furthermore, ashwagandha plays a crucial role in harmonizing reproductive hormones, including testosterone, luteinizing hormone, and follicle-stimulating hormone, thus fostering enhanced sperm production and quality. In addition to its hormonal support, ashwagandha aids in stress and anxiety reduction, which can have adverse effects on fertility. By alleviating stress, ashwagandha indirectly contributes to improved sperm parameters and overall reproductive health. 9. Testosterone boost. If you're on the quest for a natural means to enhance your testosterone levels, look no further than ashwagandha. This remarkable herb has garnered the attention of researchers who have been diligently investigating its potential benefits. So, how exactly does ashwagandha accomplish this? In accordance with a 2015 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, when men incorporated ashwagandha supplements into their regimen alongside resistance training, they experienced a significant surge in their testosterone levels. The researchers posit that ashwagandha's extraordinary efficacy may stem from its ability to mitigate oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can hamper testosterone production. But that's not all. Another study, published in 2020 in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, embarked on an exploration of the chemical composition of ashwagandha. This investigation unveiled the presence of intriguing compounds such as withanolides, alkaloids, and flavonoids, which could potentially play a role in amplifying testosterone production. These compounds may interact with your body's endocrine system, providing a valuable boost to your testosterone levels. While ashwagandha exhibits potential in bolstering men's health, it's crucial to emphasize that outcomes can differ from person to person. It is prudent to seek advice from a healthcare provider before commencing any new supplement regimen, particularly if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are currently on medications. As we bring this enlightening exploration of the realm of ashwagandha to a close, keep in mind that the potential of this exceptional herb stretches far beyond our discussion today. Now is the moment to embark on a proactive journey, tapping into the inherent power within you, and embracing the boundless opportunities that lie ahead. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.